What is up, guys? We are back with another very special video, guys. Hit me up on Instagram at PTYY16. In the header, in the bio, it's going to say PTYY. That's my old handle, but my actual handle is PTYY16, guys. Show some love, sneaker reels, fashion, whatever questions you have about the video, hit me up over there. Without further ado, let's get into a very special shoe, man. Get into a very special shoe. Right here, we have the Air Jordan 3 Lucky Greens, which is actually a women's release. Comes in this beautiful, nice box with that golden logo. When you open it up, you're gonna see pretty plain wrapping, nothing crazy. On the side right there, a little bit of writing. On the bottom, that gold signature. Box isn't too crazy, but we're gonna get into something very, very special, which is these shoes. They actually released a few weeks back, and I'm loving them. I know the White Cement 3's reimagines came out, and that caused the entire hysteria. People were going crazy and insane, saying that they need to get their hands on them and cop them. Very clean silhouette, that aged box, that nice cream midsole, white, and just very, very clean silhouette that essentially goes with everything. Now we got really cool releases coming out. So we do got the Wizards releasing on the 29th, which my video is already out, guys, so go check that out. And then we have these beautiful Air Jordan 3 Lucky Greens right here. These are a women's release, guys, like I said, so it's going to be a men's try-on, so you guys can see how it looks, you know, on foot and stuff like that, and bigger sizing. So I'm a size 11, so a woman that's going to be a size 12.5. I went true to size for these, so it's very nice and fitting, very comfortable. Air Jordan 3 is one of my comfortable threes. I mean, comfortable Air Jordans just in general. That green toe right there, that nice retro kind of Air Jordan on the bottom, that kind of is like 3D. And then you have the amazing grain leather. Now this is something I love about threes. The grain leather on the threes is very nice and high quality, as you guys can see on the side. Kind of has those wrinkles to it. Now you're gonna see in the on foot, it's very high detail and better to see. That tongue is not nice and soft and plush, and going into the back of the shoes, very nice and soft and plush as well too. That pretty simple jump man on the inside, and the back heel tag is that Air with the gray logo, and that beautiful, nice candy green going all around the back. Now the Wizards follow a simple kind of a breakdown as well too. So on the back, the Wizards actually have this in blue, but the tongue is different. The back of the tongue is different. The logo is like a gold logo. Toe box is a little bit blue. So there are different breakdowns. It's a pretty simple, clean silhouette. So you're just gonna get the white silhouette with the green on the back, and then all these little details, which is very nice. Mind you, guys, very comfortable shoe, if not one of my favorite Jordans to wear, and I feel like the most slept on. I really need some more Jordans. You got the beautiful Air elephant print. I really need some more AJ3s coming out. Man, with these beautiful elephant prints all across, because AJ3s are just so. I do love my ones, and I do love my threes. So I love when my threes get a lot more attention. I love my 13s as well too. I got some really clean sixes right here, the British khakis, that I'm actually obsessed with. I love these, and I don't even love sixes like that, even though there are some really nice sixes. But these are just my babies. And yeah, guys, without further ado, let's get into the up close and on foot. Is this a cop? Is this a drop? You want to see more releases like this, more colorways like this? I think personally, if they release a lot of threes like this with the simple white and the simple elephant print classic, and they just change the coloring in the back right here to like different colors and different names and stuff like that, it could kind of revive the Air Jordan 3, guys. So without further ado, let's get into it. Hit me up on Instagram, PTY16. I love you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, show some love.
I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me look hotter than the 6 in the summer. Dead ass girl, I want. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me look. Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the ting bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. Why don't we make an agreement, then we can just, while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Shorty to fly, though. That's all I songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana, and she wanna give me the adu nana. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends, girl? I know you wanna, I know you wanna, girl, I know you wanna, I know you want to, girl. Ride the pipe like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my ends, oh. You're the one that's not pretend, cause the pussy too good, drink too strong. I too change, I'm too sprung. Yeah. I pussy too good, drink too strong. I too change, I'm so gone. Girl, I know you wanna, I know you wanna, girl, I know you wanna, I know you want to, girl, girl, I know you wanna, I know you want to, girl, girl, I know you wanna, yeah. Just keep giving me love. Oh, just keep giving me love. Oh, just keep giving me love. Yeah. I need you right here beside me. If you oblige me, I hang it up and I'll never come out of retirement. You should just sleep on it, you shouldn't doubt me. It would be different without me. What is it without me? Don't go do nothing without me.